Okay, so I'm outside, and as you can see, there is thunder and lightning behind me. This is some really crazy stuff. And as you can see in the sky, every 5 seconds there's a bright light, which is from the thunder. You know what I mean? So I am out here videotaping this because this is some cool stuff. And my sister's in the background. So yeah, we're out here just standing out here, chilling.
You want me to run in the rain?
No, don't go out there.
Oh, yeah. Hit by lightning. I swear. I got $5. If the lightning hit the tree, I'ma kill you.
Alright, bet on that. I don't think it's gonna hit. I'm an idiot. Oh, it's like I got hit. So yeah, we don't have a key to get back in, which was on my part. I should have brought my key out. But yeah, just push to ring the doorbell once. So yeah, we're out here. Grab my key off the table. So yeah, I'm out here, just chilling, you know. Just chilling, you know. Just out here. Hopefully she'll get my key. Cause this shit's crazy. Shit. Nigga.